Hey everyone, this is Azrat. And in my previous video, I forgot to demonstrate the readiness probe simply because once we bring up the SQLite, I won't, even if I change the permissions, it still be working. So instead of running it in Kubernetes, I'm just gonna run it as a normal Sinatra applications. In on the top left, I'm going to do run Ruby app, right? So in here, I have the script, which is inside the folder. You can just run. So this will run the checking on the status for the health ready and startup. If you see initially the startup is showing 503 and showing still starting up, and now everything is showing 200. So uh, So this is fine. Okay, let me stop this. Actually, yeah, we can just keep it running. It's fine. But I have to uh, stop this one. I have to cancel this. Just ignore on the right side. I'm just going to set the uh, database as remove the permissions. And then I'm going to start the application again. And now we can see the ready state is 503, right? So even though the health is ready and startup is also ready, but if we have failed in our database, Kubernetes won't uh, redirect the traffic uh, to this pod. So I'm gonna set it back to readable, and I have to stop and then start it again. And now we can see ready is 200, health is 200. We're still waiting for the startup probe. Once the startup probe is 200, then Kubernetes will check on ready and health. So this script is you can check, you can look at inside the script folder. I have added this one for you to do your test on your local machines. Yeah, I hope this short video will help with the ready probes learning. Thank you guys and happy coding.